back to my channel. It's Aisha, and guess what day it is? It's my birthday, guys. It's my birthday. I'm just going out to have fun for the day, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's get started. I'm just getting in the car and then we'll start the day. आज एक नई काम हो रहा है. Actually जाने से पहले we are just cleaning the car. थोड़ी सी चीज़ें अंदर पड़ी हुई थी, so we thought पहले वो कर लिया जाए because today was the day. तो अभी वो Hamza is doing that and I'm just waiting to get inside the car. And guys, look at how sunny this day is. I can finally wear a summer dress without feeling cold. I made it slightly cold, so I do have to wear something. But guys, I can finally wear a summer dress. I was like so scared of the weather for my birthday because I really wanted, you know, summer vibes. And finally, alhamdulillah, the weather is great. Like, I am loving the weather. So that's a plus. So start is great. रात को इन लोगों ने मुझे surprise दिया. And obviously I wasn't filming, but Waleed filmed something for me. You might be seeing that, and it was really nice. Alhamdulillah, it went great. It started great. Obviously they couldn't actually keep it a surprise because they were like not good at keeping it a surprise. I found out, but I acted surprised for a mini second, and then I had to come out with the truth that I know what was happening. I knew all along what was happening.
Yeah, these are your temporary. You're gonna get your actual gift tomorrow. Okay? So this is your cake.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
So finally we have started, and oh my god, we are going to get gas again because we always get gas before going anywhere. So we'll get gas first, and then where are we going? Okay, so it's gonna be a fun-filled day, that's all I know. And we'll be doing like a couple of things. We'll be getting food, and I'm thinking we might go to Rec Room. Actually, like, I want to go to VAM, so we'll go to VAM and do something there. It's just gonna be fun, hopefully, inshallah. So technically Hamza planned it, supposed to plan it, but like I also helped, and फिर मैं ही सारा plan करके बताई थी, अच्छा ये कर लेते. So hopefully it's gonna be a good day, guys. Vibes अच्छी आ रही हैं because weather is with us, hopefully. Sun comes and goes, but hopefully like it's gonna be nice and warm today because that's what we're going for. That's what we are hoping for today. Guys, you know what's funny? मेरी 2 दिन से बर्थडे चल रही है because पाकिस्तान में पहले टाइम हो गया था. तो मुझे 1 दिन से पहले से विश किया जा रहा है. You know, पाकिस्तान वाले मुझे 1 दिन पहले से विश कर रहे हैं. So I was like, I don't mind because I get to celebrate it 2 days then, because you know I do have family in different parts of the world, so वो birthday extend कर जाती है automatically, which is nice, you know. Always trying to look on the bright side. आज मेरा ना कुछ नया करने का प्लान था because पाकिस्तान में तो I have not seen this thing happen, but यहाँ पे ये होता है कि birthdays पे some places offer some freebies, you know, something free. And I have been seeing TikToks and reels of, you know, like people doing that on their birthday, going and getting that stuff. It seems so fun. And for this vlog, I really want to do that. I'm not sure if we'll be able to do that but let's see. Maybe I can do that, and it's gonna be so much fun. Like, I'll show you like what we can get from where. It's a chance. We may or may not do it, but I'm sharing my thought process with you guys. We have decided to go to Paris Baguette. Like, it's one of our favorite cafes. We don't like the hot coffee there, but we have decided we are trying to be smart. We're just gonna get something cold and we're gonna eat. They have so many nice items. I'm gonna show you everything. It's gonna be so fun. And guys, this is my first birthday with this guy. This is my first birthday that we're celebrating together. I'm really excited. This is the happiest part for me, you know, doing it together. Subtle today, but this still look nice. Guys, this is a different part of the city. डिफिकल्ट काम जो है ना इस एरिया में पार्किंग फाइंड करना है. We're just trying to find parking. पूरे पीछे एक पार्किंग लॉट है, but it's private, so we can't park there. Just trying to figure out कि कहाँ park करें. Starving guys, I'm starving. Love this area for some reason. Just after a few seconds we found parking. This is the cafe we want to go to. So before we can go to the cafe, we have to get the parking ticket from this machine that they have here. This thing right here. E-Park. We have to pay for parking right here. Guys, we got it. Look at how nice this place is. You know why men like to walk ahead? For no reason. Like किस बात की जल्दी है? मेरे बगैर कहीं जाना तो है नहीं. तो फिर फायदा? So, हमने खा पी लिया है. फाइनली कुछ एनर्जी आई है और अब हम बस रोम अराउंड कर रहे हैं थोड़ा, बिकॉज सच अ नाइस प्लेस टू वॉक अराउंड. So I really like the vibe here. Yeah, this refresher inside was a good idea, but outside it's windy and I'm starting to feel cold. Guys, I changed my mind. गाड़ी के अंदर जब sun hit कर रहा है ना, तब this chiller is an amazing idea because मज़ा आ जाता है इतनी हीट में ठंडा पी के. Now we're going to Wem. Couple of things to do there. It's gonna be fun. Finally at Wem and you know lucky days चल रहे हैं आज. हमें पार्किंग मिल चुकी है और हम जा रहे हैं रेक रूम. Hopefully we're gonna have some fun. But guys, guess what happened? Guess what happened? Hamza bought me a Dyson. It was a surprise. Honestly, I did not know. And we just outside to put it in the car because we didn't want to roam around with, you know, while we were holding it. But guys, I got a Dyson for my birthday present. Isn't that amazing? Oh my god, I'm still in shock, guys. Thirsty. So we are getting water. Let's go. Guys, finally got out of the mall and I'm so happy, and you know why? Now we're gonna go grab some food. दिन ही लग रहा है because शाम हो गई है लेकिन दिन ही है because sun doesn't go down till 9:30 at least. So we're just gonna continue and have fun. We're here at Lahore in town. Lahore का restaurant. I mean. लाहौरी फूड एंड यहाँ की कढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी है. वी हैव ट्राइड इट ऑलरेडी. सो आज हमने सोचा क्यों ना वो ही खा ली जाए इंस्टेड ऑफ मिडिल ईस्टर्न फूड वंस अगैन. सो लेट्स गो. का जो हमें पसंद है ना, इट्स शिनवारी कढ़ाई. वो मटन कढ़ाई है, बहुत मज़े की है. दैट्स द वन दैट आई लव फ्रॉम हियर. सो आई थिंक वी आर गोना गो फॉर दैट. ऑल्सो दे हैव गोलगप्पे. सो गोलगप्पे भी खाऊंगी मैं. यस, आई बीन क्रेविंग दैट खट्टा पानी गाइज. सो दैट्स गुड. And this whole day was such a blast. I had so much fun. I had the best birthday ever. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, you know what to do. Just do that. And I'll see you guys the next time.